G'day everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're back on the Supra again for Glenn. He was wanting to upgrade his exhaust, so he wanted it a little bit quieter than what he had, so we're going from a 2.5 inch press bend system to a 3.5 inch mandrel bend system. So yeah, I don't think it's going to be much quieter, but we're putting a big ass muffler on it, and hopefully that keeps it quiet for him. So yeah, I'll show you what we've done to get into it and get to this point. Stay tuned. Right, so we've got Glenn's second-hand dump pipe bolted up there. It's a pretty decent angle, so we're just going to roll with it, put a flange on the end of it, and make the rest of the exhaust from there. Now we're being a little bit naughty here as well. We are using mild steel MIG wire to tack it all together, but we'll weld over those sections with some 309 filler to stop any rust and prevent oxidation and things like that. Alrighty, so we've got our flanges tacked together to the second-hand dump pipe that Glenn got, and we've made a start on getting it level with the bottom of the car. So from here we sort of have to look downstream, imagine where we're going to start routing it, get some other bends. Bends straight. See some that we prepared earlier. Just imagining where it's going to end up. That looks like a really good angle. And then we'll measure up this piece. And voila, we have the next section. So from here we'll just keep working downstream, keeping it level with the bottom of the car, tucked up as high as we can. Just tack it all together, see how it looks, and then pull it off and weld it up. So get stuck into that. Alrighty, so we've tacked everything together. We've got a second-hand new Tunnel Bay muffler that I got given a long time ago. Thanks, Julian. It already had the tip on it, and we sort of just positioned it so that it worked, and it's bloody well perfect if you ask me. It is flipped upside down. As you can see, there's some old hangers that we had to cut off, but there's a lot of gap under the tip, but we think it looks pretty good. So we've got some hangers welded on. They're fully welded on. Now we just got to pull it off, TIG weld it all together, put some gaskets in, some gasket goo, and should be good to go. Yeah, so one of the reasons why Glenn's changing it is you heard that one. Nice and dense. So yeah, bigger, denser, actually has packing in it, unlike that one over there which does not.
A bit too nice for what I paid for.
There it is. Finito. Let's drop it down on the ground and see how she sounds. Alright, so let's see how it sounds. I'll put a clip up now of how it sounded before. That is much nicer. Alrighty everyone, so obviously we finished it up. It's probably been, what's it been, a couple of weeks now?
Yeah.
We thought we'd just record this after it's been driving for a little bit to see how it's going. Are you happy with the results?
Yeah, sounds good.
Quieter?
Yep.
And it's 3.5 inch, so it's going to be really future-proofed for bigger builds later on. And obviously we left enough room for a catalytic converter, so it's legal. Right now it's just track only, and yeah, I think that's about it, eh?
Yeah.
So I think it's just it's a little bit low at the back. We sort of adjusted it.
I don't think I've scraped it once though.
You haven't scraped it?
No.
Oh, that's good. It's a little bit low under the diff, but Glenn was happy to roll with it, so we left it. And yeah, so well, that's about it, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.